IGUS is known for their energy chain cable carriers. We also have a full line of continuous flex cables called Chainflex.
With this line of cabling, we want to offer engineers the lowest cost option possible while still selecting the right cable for the application. Often that selection process is something that is overlooked in the design phase.
And in today's video, we're going to introduce you to the price check concept, in which we will reduce your costs and increase the lifetime of your application.
Today we're going to talk about power cables. One of the most common cables that we see for power applications is a 4-conductor 8-gauge cable. Now, I have something a little weird to say. 4 is actually less than 1. How is 4 less than 1? I'll tell you. With a standard multi-conductor cable, you actually have 4 conductors in a single outer jacket. If your application permits, you can break that into individually single jacketed conductors, and that'll allow you to do a couple of different things. Number one, it will actually save you 36% in costs. That's right, 4 is less than 1. Secondly, at IGUS, we actually have the added benefit mechanically of being able to reduce the bend radius height needed for your cable carrier application, thus saving space on your machine. Click the link below to see how much you can save on your application. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you.